Hello from the 12-foot view. As we get ready for Halloween, there's one more important event first this week. Part 6 of our last installment of the Empowering Admissions series. It's Wednesday. Together, we built engagement scores and predictive models the last few months. We've done feature engineering. We've automated the process to be completely hands-off. We've even used those results in some pretty big ways. Projecting headcounts and net tuition revenue, prioritizing outreach, optimizing recruitment and travel, crafting your class, and actually prescriptively nudging students in ways that are going to actually impact their likelihood to apply and enroll. So let's get the gang together one last time to unmask a few more mysteries. No need to split up, just to look for some clues. Let me know in the comments some topics we should cover next year. And remember, stay sharp, my friends.